Have you ever noticed that when we talk about financial success, we often think of the big moments? Well, today I want to shift our focus to the unsung heroes of our financial journey, the small wins. It's easy to get caught up in the dreams of your future, like buying a house, retiring without worries, paying off significant debts. But there's so much power in recognizing the steps we have to take to get there. A small financial win can be so many things. It can be opening a certain kind of savings account, like we talked in the last couple of videos. It could be resisting an impulse purchase, saving a little extra $5, $10 here and there, deciding to just track your spending for a week. These might seem minor in the grand scheme of things, but they are the building blocks for our larger financial goals. By celebrating these moments, we remind ourselves that every choice, no matter how seemingly insignificant, is a step forward in the right direction. It fuels our motivation and it keeps us on track. So, through October, with our Watch Her Thrive Financial Empowerment Series in honor of Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we are emphasizing the strength in every step of your financial journey. So, today, take a moment, reflect on a small financial win in your life, acknowledge it, celebrate it, share it in the comments, because it's these consistent small actions that lead us to greater triumphs. Thanks for joining me today. If this message resonates with you, hit that subscribe button and share the video. And in the comments below, remember to share that small financial win you want to celebrate. Let's empower one another to recognize and cherish every financial victory, no matter its size.